right, let's do it. Cherry gum, clicks her heels together for my show, baby. Looks so good, my baby's got her the right away. Eyes are green, but her lips are cold. Tell me now, spend all my money. Don't care 'cause my money is clean. Make a million screaming like a banshee. Make a million with my $1,000,000 spend.
That I'm not the only one that she ever wants to see. And I know that that's a pack of lies, and I don't care that she's going away. Tell the lie, spend all my money. I don't care 'cause my money is free. Make a million screaming like a banshee. Make a million with my $1,000,000 spine.
It was Oakland, and we were trying to leave, or maybe that was the Black Forest in Eugene, but we were trying to leave, and this homeless woman kept coming up to me, and she couldn't. Was that Oakland? Yeah. She couldn't speak because all of her teeth were missing, and she kept grabbing my arm, going like, and I was like, I don't know, you know. And so we're getting ready to leave, and we've got all the gear packed up, and I'm sitting in the truck. It's like 3:30 in the morning. Jeff's driving, and I'm so freaking tired, you know, because we just got done playing a show, and you know how it is. You're all like freaking exhausted. And like I'm sitting there, and I hear this, and I look over, and she's on the window, and she's like, like that, and I just go, drive, Jeff, just drive.
Make a million with my $1,000,000.
$1,000,000 strike. Thank you, Chicken Shack. So funny, because you start out wanting to play shit-kicking rock and roll, and then we went off on this whole side trip of trying to play something, I guess what we thought was headier, that we enjoyed at the time. But now, here we are, 3 years into the band, and we're right back where we always wanted to be. And that's just playing really loud, fun rock and roll.
How was Austin?
Oh, Austin was just like, it was Mecca. I mean, it was just bands, musicians everywhere. They shut down at least 8 Square City blocks over on Red River Road.
Did you guys play South by Southwest?
Yeah. We played at the Mohawk.
Outside South by Southwest.
So we were like Ben always, a guerrilla South by Southwest.
Yeah.
So we weren't invited, but we were there and we played.
Did you ever have a huge drum set and then strip down to these 4? Or?
Yeah, I did it all. I went through a giant drum set. I had electronic drums. I had the rack. You know, whole deal.
What made you strip back down?
Yeah, this shit's just bullshit.
What do you want to play, Jeff?
This only works if somebody in the room claps along with the kick drum. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah, because we're all pretty sick and tired of emo music. And it's time for it to stop right freaking now.
those guys where my digestion just does not do well with egg products. so I get this 5-egg omelet, sour cream, onion, just loaded. We hit the road about an hour back into it. I'm like, I'm ready to drop anchor, man. I'm like, I'm gonna birth a child, and there's no bathroom for hours anywhere. So I was like, Ben, you gotta pull over the fucking vans. We pull over. We have no toilet paper, but we had like 3 McDonald's napkins from the previous city. So I run up and over this hill. I'm climbing through the snow.
Which took you 20 minutes to climb the hill.
Because I'm not gonna take this enormous shit in front of I-10 when there's just cars coming up.
You didn't even put a coat on.
So I'm just I'm running up the mountain. I'm plowing through the snow. It's up to my knees. I get up and over, and I kind of have to do this reverse push-up thing so I don't shit all over my feet. And I just dropped this mountain. It was burly, you know. And then I got 3 McDonald's napkins to clean that up, and that's the kind of mistake you make one time. So these guys don't let me eat eggs on the road anymore.